how you can get results in 2026 with ClickBank affiliate marketing and Google ads and Google pay-per-click ads. So as you can see over here, right, this is one of my new ClickBank accounts. Why? Again, I have multiple accounts. The reason why is because we promote different offers. So as you can see, some of the results over here with daily sales, right? All this was done with Google pay-per-click ads. Okay, so running faces offers on ClickBank using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, this is just one of the niches in manifestation space. Okay, we promote in different neutral weight loss, hobby, survival niches, baby niche. So there are so many niches out there that are really, really profitable. Okay, for you as a beginner or someone who already has results. So let me go straight into it so you can see exactly how this works with Google pay-per-click ads. Okay, now before I go into it, you can see over here, the most important thing is having the buyer's traffic or buyer's intent. Why? Because on Google, people go only for two reasons. One reason is to buy the product, okay, and second reason is to get educated about their pains and problems. Okay, you have the back pain, you want to lose weight, you go on Google and you type in the keywords, and once someone type in the keywords, it connects them with the right type of website, blog, or quiz funnel where they enter information, read the page, and buy the product. That's it. So your job as an affiliate is not to sell the products, is to pre-sell them. And there are 5 points that you have to pre-sell in order to get a high conversions or even a sale on ClickBank, your ever first sale on ClickBank. Okay, so if you have been struggling before, trying different methods, buying different courses, maybe you tried MLM, maybe you tried Amazon FBA, maybe you even tried ClickBank affiliate marketing, and you have failed, let me tell you, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. And the reason why is because, you see, because you have been following the outdated methods that used to work many, many years ago, but right now it's outdated. It doesn't work anymore. So let me show you here, right? What we're doing is we are targeting people by exact buyer's intent words, okay, keywords that are connected to our landing page or website. So it's all about conversion traffic. I'm optimizing only for conversion, not the leads, for conversions. We are not building any email list here. No, we are going straight for the money, straight for the sale. Okay. So as you can see over here, let me show you one of the results, right? Let's say we planned or invest into Google Ads $500 and get backed. After 9 sales, we got back $1,500, which is not bad, right? Invest 500 and get back 1,500. Of course, not only with low ticket, not with small products, but also with the higher product, meaning upsells. So upsell take rate is really important to get this kind of results in 2026. Now let me tell you this. The reason the affiliate system works when nothing else you've tried has is because it turns the Google account you already have, okay, into a profitable product selling machine using a simple Google loophole that you're going to discover in this short YouTube video, okay? To get products, again, eyeballs in front of your offer that you're promoting with Google Ads. So now let me show one of the secrets. You see, maybe you have never heard of this, but there are 5 stages of market awareness levels, okay? And those stages are important in order to get high enough buyer's intent and get sales. Because most newbies, what they do is buy a course, maybe for $2,000, $3,000, and what they don't understand, and it's not your fault, okay? It's not your fault, is that they are following the outdated methods with one puzzle or 2 puzzles missing. So once you have the bigger picture and there are 2 puzzles missing, you cannot complete the picture. And that's the problem, meaning it cannot get you the sales. And that's why you have 5 stages of awareness. You see, you have most aware audience, you have unaware audience, you have solution aware audience, and also problem aware audience. So those audiences are aware they have problems, right? But you need to have the right language patterns, the right emotional states. Low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, they are very different. You have males and females audience on Google, searching for solutions to their pains and problems. My friend, if you want to have results, you cannot use the same kind of website for every single audience. It will not convert. It won't work. Okay? So all you have to do is you have to pick one ClickBank offer that's proven to work, that's hot, using our criteria. Then what we do together is we set up one Google ad campaign, okay, one, with minimum, let's say $5 to even $50 a day. Again, depend on your results. We start slow, so okay, in the first 48 hours to 3 days, 2 to 3 days, you should be up and running, be profitable, and breaking even, meaning spend $1, get $1 back in the 24 hours, or spend $100 and get $100 or $200 back in the first day, in the only first 24 hours. Okay, so that's our goal, to be negative, meaning to break even every single day. So then the rest is all the profit that goes to your bank. All right. So let me tell you this. This works even if you have never made money online. Meaning, maybe you have no website or IT skills, you have no big audience or following, and maybe you have even tried all other stuff and failed. Maybe you have tried ClickBank, maybe you have tried MLM, Shopify, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, and you have failed. And it's not your fault. Okay? It doesn't matter. Even if you have 9 to 5 job, you can do this if you have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day. Okay? So what actually is holding you back? Okay, the real reason is that you don't have a right system. Once you have the right system, the right framework, and someone to help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, you will finally be able to start having real trackable results in 2026. Now you can see, okay, what you get inside in the 6-figure Google Ads affiliate system. Okay, buyer's intent search secret, very important again, to target the right type of audience at the right time. Let's say the right time. Okay, and then you get Google Ads campaign setup that's done for you and together with you, and also of course winning campaign blueprints and profit tracking system. All this is important with quiz funnels and templates for done for you, proven landing page blueprints. Okay, very important. Now you can see here's what happens once you step inside. Okay, daily results, one of my students over here, okay, done together over the Zoom call. Of course, you can see over here, right? And the results that are possible with ClickBank affiliate marketing, if you take this seriously and if you actually want manageable, scalable results in 2026, because it's still possible to make money online in 2026 as a beginner, even if you have failed before. Okay, so you have two options. You can keep doing what you're doing, or if you're smart, and I know you are because you're still watching this video, you can get the right system, the right type of one-on-one support to actually get the right type of hand-holding to get this up and running, to finally have results that you desire. Okay, now the next thing you can do, you can connect with me one-on-one. That's my WhatsApp, my personal number, my email, and my Facebook Messenger. Yes, you can connect with me one-on-one, but please, as long as you're serious, as long as you have some money to invest in yourself, to invest this in your system, to actually have scalable, serious results that are sustainable. Okay, I'm not talking about $100 today, zero tomorrow. No, I'm talking about sustainable results long term. Of course, short term as well, but long term as well. So if you watch this video, if you want to get results, let me know.